The law of attraction is a grand unified theory of everything. The law of attraction can be applied to anything, and it explains everything. The law of attraction simply states like attracts like. This simple law explains the nature of the world around you, and it explains the finest inner workings of the universe with precision. There is a very large amount of information that supports the idea that the law of attraction is the grand unified theory scientists have been looking for since the dawn of thought. The stars form into galaxies, atoms form into clusters, people form into cities. Everything adheres to this very simple principle, like attracts like. Although scientists have been delving deeper and deeper into the fabric of the universe, through the years, very little information has been obtained that can form a purely physics-based grand unified theory of everything. For this reason, scientists for many years now have found the task of combining the knowledge they have about the various gravitational forces into one single theory that actually makes sense and can be applied to the world around us. The law of attraction differs in this sense because it actually does work, and it can be applied to everything around us. It is somewhat ironic in a way to see physicists chasing their own tails as they attempt to discover the primary constituents of the universe and a grand unified theory that explains their operations, because the very process of using their consciousness to focus on these subjects results in the attraction of subjects that are of a like nature, and so they continue to get more information that relates to their point of focus. For example, physicists felt that the discovery of atoms implied that there truly is a grand unified theory in existence, but their focus on atoms simply led to the discovery of smaller and smaller particles. Today, physicists continue to struggle with the idea of explaining the operations of the universe based on what they know about these tiny particles. If they were to simply step back from their research for a moment though, they would realize that they are creating the very discoveries they are making. We are the creators of our universe. Consciousness created the universe, and consciousness continues to create the universe as it traverses the infinite dimensions of the world and continues to develop ever-expanding ideas. For this reason, as physicists continue to peer deeper and deeper into the fabric of the universe continues to produce smaller and smaller pieces to fit into the infinite puzzle physicists are trying to put together. The process can never be completed in this manner because their continued observations, hypotheses, and experiments can only lead to more information that must be reviewed, pondered, and tested once again. As you can see, the law of attraction even applies to those who are searching for a grand unified theory. As people go in search for a grand unified theory, they attract people, places, things, experiences, etc. that match their point of focus. For example, if someone goes in search for a grand unified theory by using physics as their vehicle of discovery, they will simply start to attract more situations that involve physics into their lives. The same process even applies to those who go in search for answers by using the law of attraction though. As an individual focuses on the law of attraction, they begin to attract evidence that supports the law of attraction into their lives. This process truly applies to all subjects too. The statement like attracts like applies to everything, including ourselves. Everything is energy vibrating at specific frequencies. Your body is made out of this energy, vibrating at specific frequencies too. So, when you give our attention to a specific subject, you begin to vibrate in harmony with the subject you are focusing on. You can use this information to your advantage by simply focusing on what you want to attract into your life. If you want to attract wealth, you simply need to place your focus on wealth. If you want to attract good health, you simply need to place your focus on good health. If you want to attract happiness, you simply need to place your focus on happiness. There are many different ways you can focus on what you want to. If you want to attract wealth, you can simply place your focus on subjects that signify wealth in your mind. If you think that nice cars, expensive houses, and great vacations signify wealth, then you simply need to place your focus on those things to attract wealth into your life. The way you feel is your point of attraction though, because like attracts like, and everything is vibrating at specific frequencies, including you. For this reason, you can also attract what you want into your life by focusing on the feeling you would like to feel more often. If you would like to attract wealth, simply place your focus on the feeling of being wealthy. If you would like to attract good health, simply place your focus on the feeling of feeling healthy. If you would like to attract happiness, simply place your focus on the feeling of being happy. You can also use your imagination to change your point of attraction, the way you feel. By thinking about what you want, you will instantly feel good. If you continue to think about what you want, you will attract more of what you want into your life. The attraction may only begin with the attraction of thoughts relating to what you want into your life, but as you continue to give your attention to what you want, you will continue to feel more and more like the way you want to feel. Once you are feeling fairly good, as you give your attention to what you want, you might start attracting small experiences that are related to what you want into your life. As you continue to give your attention to what you want, the experiences will continue to grow in number and intensity. Eventually, after you have given your attention to what you want for a while, your life experience will be a pure reflection of what you wanted to attract, and you will have a whole new set of desires you can fulfill through the use of your focus. Once you feel as if you already have what you want has to become your experience. Due to the grand unified theory, the law of attraction, like attracts like.